Hello, welcome to Craft Like Nobody's Watching. I'm Fran, and if you're new to our channel, well, thank you for joining us. Today I am working on a door hanger. I saw a scarf at the thrift store and it just made me think Valentine's Day. So I needed a styrofoam form for it, and I made this the other day. And so I'm just going to put some wire on the top here so it will hang, and then put that right through the center of the scarf. Well, I want to find the center of the scarf, and I'll stick that wire right through. I'm just going to make sure it's hanging evenly on the form, and then once I have it right where I want it, I'll put these stick pins in to hold it in place. Then now these two sides of the scarf, I'm going to bring them to the front, sort of look like arms, and tie them in a loose knot here. Grab the stapler. I'm just going to staple these so they stay where I want them. I often use this stapler when I'm making wreaths. It's handy for keeping your ribbons, bows in place. And no one can see them. It's hanging up on your door, unless they get so super close and inspect it. So now I've got these where I want. I put this foam heart. It's left over from another wreath I made, but it just gives it a little boldness here in the center. So I'm just going to wire that on and reach under the scarf here and twist it up. Now, got that good. So then I picked up these fake flowers that match the scarf. I got them at Dollarama, and just going to make a little bouquet in the scarf arms. So a few taller ones here and different petals for added texture. And I'm just putting them in to see what I like. And then now that I know it's happy with it, start stapling everything together and have it in place so it's nice and secure. Now, last, I think we just need to add some ribbon. I got some black, some pink satin, and a little bit of pink mesh. Now, just dovetail those ends and wire it on. And voila! Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining me.